is so hot! How could animals survive here? Hold on, look! There are footprints of the animal. Wow! It is amazing! Doesn't it feel hot? Let's check out its name. The world is amazing! Let's keep learning. Smart tablet, activate!
A large body. A curved neck. Humps on the back. Long legs. Camel. A camel is a form of transportation in the desert and is called the ship of the desert. It can survive in the hot desert.
All I see is sand. What should the camel do if the food is unavailable? Don't worry, a camel can go without eating for a month or without drinking for 2 weeks. That's fantastic! How does the camel do it? That's what makes the camel so special. Let's take a close look. What else is special about the camel? The humps! You're right! Camel can convert food into fat and store in the humps. The humps will firm like hills once the camel is full. Let's now check out the camel's stomach. A camel drinks lots of water at a time. In its stomach, there are many small bubbles in the shape of bottles that store water. This allows a camel to nourish itself with its fat and stored water when the food is unavailable. Got it! The camel stores water and energy in its high humps like the warehouse. You're right! A camel can go without food for a long period of time, and it also is very strong. Do you know what can the strong camel do? A. Spew lava. B. Carry goods. C. Sing. That's right! You are right! A camel is the ship of the desert. It can carry heavy goods to far destinations in the desert. I know! A camel is the ship of the desert. You're right. Let's check out how a camel carries goods. Yeah! Let's find the goods that Mr. Camel needs. Load the correct goods onto the camel's back. We've got all the goods. Let's go. Swipe up or down to help the camel avoid danger. The camel's coat reflects sunlight to protect it from the desert heat. The goods have been delivered. Well done! Quacky, what have we learned about the camel? Oh, a camel lives in the hot desert. It can go without eating for a month or without drinking for 2 weeks. It is also the ship of the desert. You're right. Which medal should it get? Medal for Master of Invisibility. Medal for Master of Heat. Medal for Overlord of the Sky. Medal for Master of Heat. It can live in the hot desert. This medal for Master of Heat goes to the camel. Next, let's take some practice. Let's try to find the camel. 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 What does a camel like to eat? You are right. A camel likes to eat grass. A camel has high humps on its back. A camel has a curved neck. A camel has thin and long legs.